So starting 2022 out on the right foot to support your overall health and wellness, let's start with breakfast, which is the most important meal of the day for everybody. And this especially holds true for kids and teens, because when they are missing breakfast, they're missing out on such important nutrients that they're unlikely to make up for later in the day. And this is concerning because these are the nutrients that really help support their growth and development. So breakfast does not have to be a whole production. My family and I love leaning on Carnation Breakfast Essentials, and they recently relaunched their brand to now have more sustainable packaging, a new look, and an improved recipe. So their new recipe now has 25% less added sugars when compared to the former drinks. Plus, they have 21 essential vitamins and minerals, including the immune-supporting vitamin C and D. Some other super simple breakfasts that pack a punch in the nutrition department are some whole grain toast topped with nut butter and some fresh fruit, or a classic yogurt parfait. Now, some parents run into challenges when it comes to picky eaters. It is a telltale classic where the kids want familiar tasting foods that they know and love. The parents want highly nutritious foods. So the trick is to combine the best of both worlds and find foods that check both boxes. Carnation Breakfast Essentials comes in flavors that kids already know and love, so you know they're going to enjoy them. Flavors like rich milk chocolate, cookies and cream, creamy strawberry, and classic French vanilla. And parents are happy feeding them to their kids because they are jam-packed with important nutrients like protein that helps keep them satisfied throughout the day, and calcium that helps support their strong bones. So it's certainly a win-win, and it can help combat some of those typical breakfast time battles that a lot of families have to combat early in the day. We also cannot forget about lifestyle choices. Physical activity is one thing that we cannot leave to the wayside, especially as the weather gets colder out. So families can start practicing a family game night that includes games that make people get off the couch and get moving, like old school musical chairs, or the floor is lava, or Twister, or just anything that gets everybody moving and having fun at the same time. And then quality sleep is something that needs to be a priority for everybody. Kids definitely need to have a set bedtime to allow them to get those hours that they need for restful sleep. Adults too can set a bedtime. They could even set an alarm on their cell phone to make sure that they are winding down at an appropriate time so they get adequate quality sleep to support their immune health and their overall health and wellness to tackle the rest of the year. So for more information, you can go to carnationbreakfastessentials.com, and they are available at retailers nationwide.